Hey there, everybody. My name is Dr. Erik Simms, and today I just want to talk to you about one of the ways that we treat people. When I was in high school, we had a test given to us by our English teacher, and the entire test was basically saying, okay, go through all of these examples. And it was the beginning of the thing. He said, okay, make sure you read all the directions. And so it says, read all the directions first, and then follow each direction step by step. And so you go through and like most people in the class, I read a lot of the directions individually. I didn't really take the time to go through all of them. I just kind of read, okay, this says this, erase this, underline this, go back and circle this now. Okay, write this on here, put this here. And the final line of the entire test was, don't do any of the other directions. And had I just looked at that final line, I could have saved myself a lot of trouble and a lot of grief. And that is why I believe in looking in the entire joint complex. One of the ways that we treat people is looking at everything that goes together with that particular injury. Looking also at the structure, looking at the movement, and knowing how we can change those so that we can get the most, so that you can go back to living the life that you want to live and doing the things that you want to do in life. I'm Dr. Erik Simms, Triple Crown Chiropractor. Thank you.